Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Crypto Check. So the Crypto Check here is where we do trade recommendations here. So you could click on this and have a look at our trade recommendations. And secondly, if you want to track your own trades, then you'll need to create a portfolio here. And then you'll need to fund this with demo funds over here. So we're just going to go through that quickly. So over here with the portfolio here, we want to create a portfolio. We've got a few test portfolios in here. Don't pay too much attention to those, but let's just do a test one portfolio in here. When you select your country here, you'll also be selecting your currency as well. So I'm in Australia. I've already got some Australian ones in here. So let's just go to a US one in case I wanted to use a US account for that. So that will be in USD over here for this. You can edit this again and you can also delete it. So we've created the portfolio. Now we need to fund it. So we come over to manage account here and we scroll down here. We've got test one here and then we want to put a deposit in here. So let's put a deposit in here, and once we save that, the account balance will come up into this here. It'll also keep a trading record in here of that as well. So now we have test one in here in US dollars, and we have 30k in this particular account here. So we can go to here, and this will populate into this account here. So now that we've created a portfolio and we've got some demo funds in here, we can practice by taking these trade recommendations that Trading Lounge puts out, or you can create your own here just by using this tab here, and you can select the portfolio here as one that you just created here and go through the various, depending on what you're actually, trading at the moment and so on and so on. This you'll need to check on, we're using Alpha Advantage, which is a data provider, so we can use that there for that. So in a nutshell, you can create your own trades here. You could also create your own trade by just going straight to the trade calculator here as well, because you want to understand that you may only want to be risking, $100 or $200 or whatever the case may be, or a percentage, 0.5%, 0.75%, 2%, whatever you're risking at that point. And this calculator will help you do that with your percentage risk and so on at this point. But this is kind of good to use in terms of if I was taking a trade recommendation. So we go here, and I've just put in a test one here. Don't pay too much attention to the details, but this will be a trade. So it's kind of trades are short term, like a swing trade and those sort of things. And then we'll have trend trades, and then we'll have HODL here as well. This is a pending trade. Once you push this trade through into the calculator here or the trade here, then it'll become an open position at that point in your portfolio. So if we look at here, we can look at this calculator here. So we've got the entry price here and the stop price is already populated here. So what we'll need to do is select a portfolio here, and then we'll need to put in our risk here or our dollar risk here. So whichever you may need to look at this particular point here. So if we're risking $200 here, then you can push that through to the trade side of things here into the portfolio. So if we push that through here at the moment, then it'll push it through to the open trade section here, and you can check everything that you need to check at this particular point. So short-term trades on spot, portfolio one here, come down here, and then you can push this through to here, and then it'll disappear from the pending trades and end up in the open positions here. So now it will be, but when you push it over to the open trades here, you also see these portfolios here as well. So make sure that you've got your right portfolio over here for this. Okay. Alrighty. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.